Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to spin up a topology in GNS3 using Claude Desktop. So for Claude Desktop to interact with GNS3 VM, which I have installed in my Mac OS, it needs MCP server. And the MCP server that we are using here is GNS3 builder.py file. As you can see, there are some prerequisites to get it work by Claude Desktop. We need a Python version 3.12 or above, and we need some other packages which already I have mentioned here, and we are installing all those packages in a virtual environment. After that, we need to configure Claude Desktop config.json file, where we are going to use this GNS3 builder.py file as a MCP server. We are providing the GNS3 VM IP. Currently my GNS3 VM is up and running and we are using version 2, and after that we have provided one more Python file which is like a builder validation. This will help us kind of unit testing that all our MCP server related code is actually functional and it will work. So let's see from the terminal that what are the topology currently we do have. As you can see, this is already the pre-built topology in our GNS3 VM. You can see from the GNS3 web UI as well. These are the topology that are already available. Now you can see I have already inside my virtual environment, and you can see my current working directory and the file that I am talking about, which is going to work as a MCP server, that is GNS3 builder, that is going to work as an MCP server so that Claude Desktop going to interact with GNS3 VM. And this is the validate builder.py file which will actually validate the MCP server is up and functional properly. So let's try to run that command to check that unit test. So as you can see, it is trying to start the nodes and try to define a topology, and it is trying to make it up and running. So let's see from the web UI, is there any new topologies currently available or not. So as you can see, currently it is trying to spin up this topology. The good part about this unit testing is it's try to spin up the new topology, and once everything's up and running and it's validate all are successful and reachable all the nodes, it will destroy or delete that topology from the GNS3 VM as well. So as you can see, currently it spin up two router topology, so it will take some time to validate. Now as you can see, it's check multiple specs and it already spin up a topology and validate all the required configurations, and all 17 checks out of 17 has been passed successfully, and it's deleted a topology. As you can see from my GNS3 web UI, there is a no topology as such that has been created by unit test. So all the required scripts to make it work, which is one is for GNS3 builder.py file and another one is for validating the topology, I'm going to upload in my GitHub repository, and I'm going to attach that link into this video description. So now I have my Claude Desktop setup. I just ask this natural language that create a two router topology, and the topology name would be OSPF demo, and connect them back to back, and here is the IP address, and configure the OSPF area 0 between them, and start those routers and apply those configs. So let's see how it works. So while it is going to work, it will going to ask me bunch of allow request, and which I'm going to go ahead and allow for this task. So it will take some time. For each step it is going to ask me further questions, so you just need to allow those requests. Now as you can see, it's already spin up the topology and it's try to do the ping test. It's configure all the required interfaces, loopback ID, then router ID, then it is checking the neighbors, and it actually validate the ping verification between the two routers. Now let's see the topology has been spin up or not. Let me try to refresh GNS3 web UI, and you can see that OSPF demo which has been created by Claude Desktop, and if you click on that, you can see the R1, it's up and running. So this way we can utilize the natural language from Claude Desktop to spin up a topology in the GNS3 server. I hope this information is helpful to you.